Hi children, today let's learn about vowel consonant words. A, t, at, a, p, app, a, n, an, a, d, add, a, m, am, a, b, ab, a, g, egg. Let's read all the words at, app, an, add, am, ab, egg. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.